good, so I'm very excited. Hey guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Нравится Мерседес находиться, да? Ты крутишь, Lamborghini свое делаешь, да?
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what I did today. I already put in all radiators. Headlights I didn't install yet, but I put in all radiators. I put in front foam. I put in the headlight washer tank, power steering, AC condenser. I just replaced. I put in new one because I have new, and old one looks a little bit dirty, you know. So I'm gonna sell it old one and I just put in new one. After that I have to put in the trunk cover. It's over here, that one. This trunk cover going after. Right now put in the antifreeze, and I'm gonna start and bleed the radiator system. Okay, just put in some antifreeze, and I'm gonna start the car and add more, because when car is running, its whole system is bleeding, you know. Double check if any leaks right now. Looks good. Okay, I check everything perfect, no leaks. I just bleed the whole system. Total for 4 bottles, not bottle. I think how many gallons here? 4 gallons total antifreeze is going on a Ferrari. Okay, now I put in mostly whole front, and I have to just put in the headlights and adjust the headlights and put in the bumper. I bought the bumper, carbon fiber bumper. So light. This carbon fiber bumper is gonna be on the car. I think it's gonna be matched, you know, with the gray and carbon. Carbon looks a little bit gray also, so I think it's gonna be looks cool, you know. But this car has carbon outside, some carbon, you know, over here carbon. So
please like and subscribe.
Yo. You see what I just did? I find it one crack, you know, over here on the carbon, some crack. That's a little bit sucks, you know. It's gonna take more time to return and buy another one. Looks like just one. Oh yeah, and over here something also. Everything else looks good. This one I don't like it. I don't like already. Yeah, everything else looks perfect. I bought it first time, the aftermarket bumper, and I never tried before, so we'll see. It's gonna fit perfectly. I'm gonna keep it. If not, I'm gonna just return it because of the scratch, you know. I'm kind of picky about this because it's Ferrari now. I like how it look like, but I don't like how it's fit, you know. So I think I'm gonna play a little bit to make it fit. If not, I'm just gonna return it. But look at this, you know. You have to everything you have to adjust, you know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna install the door panel. I bought it used door panel because we replaced the airbag. It blew up, so we put a new airbag. And after that, just install the door panel, and you never tell somebody touch it. It's perfect. And a little bit dirty. We have to buy this thing. I just find out it's missing the speaker cover. So door panel is done. Okay, you guys. Right now I'm gonna install the rear bumper. I check everything is perfect inside. I make a bypass, so car is gonna be much louder, but exhaust is gonna be stuck. I just take it off valves, pipes from valves. Looks good. I like it. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what I already did, and on the next video I'm gonna finish the car because I don't have some parts is missing. So I'm gonna walk around and show you and explain you all details. From the front I didn't adjust yet the headlight because I don't know if I'm gonna lift this bumper or put in the just regular bumper, because this bumper is carbon fiber and I have to make a holes for the parking sensor, and I don't know if it's gonna work for carbon fiber. And when I receive the bumper, it's like small crack, you know, like I have to fix this thing, you know, like, okay, this is the front. I have to put in the fender liners, some small stuff, emblems. For the door, I have to buy new door regulator. I have to take out the fender liner to tie the side skirt and rear bumper. Okay, in the back, everything looks good, but bumper didn't tie it up yet because, like I said, I have to take out the fender liners, and diffuser I have to buy some fins. Is missing also. This side is kind of messed up. This wheel is temporary, but look at this, guys. I just find out brake caliper. I have to buy brand new. I already bought it brand new. It's coming. So look at this. So I wanna fix it. It's better to buy brand new one. And the brake rotor also is broken, you know. So this side, that's why it's holding me to finish the car. Inside I already installed the door panel, and this thing speaker cover missing, and dashboard. I cannot order it airbags yet. I don't know what's going on with Italy, so we cannot order it yet. We're waiting for airbag, new airbag. That's why we didn't install the windshield. It's just, you know, hanging out because we're waiting. It's more easier to fix the airbag, you know, more easier. So guys, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. You guys gonna help me to put in more videos and make more videos, and you guys motivate me, you know, give me more motivation. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. So, подожди, мне говорит thanks for watching или нет? Please like and subscribe. Давайте вместе хотя бы.
1, 2, 3. Please like and subscribe.
Yo. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe.
No.
Пожалуйста.
Please like
And subscribe.
No. Like and subscribe.
Давай еще раз.
So we got our boys out here.
Please like and subscribe. Thank
Пусть
you.
он сам скажет.
Аминь.
Давай сам.
Давай что, один я сам попробую сам. А он выберет, он
Может, это
выберет.
лучше.
Ну а ты потом в конце несколько сделай.
Да, ты несколько, ты...
Реально.
Ча-ча-ча, короче. Готов? Okay, guys, please like and subscribe. It's gonna help.
Камера, мотор.
Thanks.